Hi everyone! In today's video, we will explore an amazing chart plugin, Chartify. This new plugin is created by the company, mainly famous for its QuizMaker and SurveyMaker plugins. So let's understand what options this plugin offers us and whether it is easy to use or not. I've already installed the Chart Builder plugin, so just by clicking on it in the left sub-menu, let's click on the Add New button. Well, as I can see, here we have 8 types of charts, so let's choose one of them. I'm interested in GeoChart as I want to try to show the values of countries on the map, so let's try to set it up. Let's type in the title and continue the process. As I can see, here we should choose how to import data. Well, we can choose between 4 sources. By choosing the first one, I can import data from the file. We can import the CSV file. The next data source is by connecting to Google Sheets. This is one of the best variants for importing data, as in this case, we create a dynamic chart, which means that we can do changes only in the sheet and see the result directly in the chart. For displaying information from your database, you need to choose the first variant. And the last variant is the easiest one. You just need to import data manually by adding unlimited rows and columns. Let's see what else we have. Here we also have a country list. Let's see what is it. Okay, this plugin provides us with the names of countries for importing the data correctly. If you make mistakes in the name of the country won't be displayed on the map. So let's choose one of these countries and edit it manually. Also, let's just add some numbers for the population. Let's click on the Show on Chart button for being sure that it works. As you can see, it works great. So let's turn to its settings. Here we can enable or disable the chart status and add the description as well. And what about the styles? Let's just do some changes by changing its height to 450 and the font size to 20. Here the chart title is black, so let's make it dark green. I think it's great. And what about tooltips? Here we have 2 variants of how to display the results on the chart, so I chose the When Selected variant. I liked the whole process of creating the chart, as the Chart Builder plugin has amazing options, but most of all I like the fact that we had many variants for importing the data. Well, as everything is ready, let's just click on the Save and Close button and copy the shortcut of the chart. Head to the Post, Add New button and type in the title and paste your shortcut here. Click on the Preview button and preview in a new tab. Now let's look at how the chart looks. I think we got a really great chart in just a few minutes. Well, if you also want to create stunning charts of different types, the Chartify plugin is exactly what you need. I hope this video helps you to find the best chart builder plugin for you. Thanks for watching us. See you soon. Bye.